Howdy, Possum Patty here. And what's the journal play for today? Well, I have some new papers and envelopes, and I have some new ephemera, and I have some new stickers, and I have some new stamps. And I have some new stencils. Look at all those stencils. So come on along. All right, I am just looking through my new pile of goodies. So excited. And all of these products come from Craspire, Create and Inspire. One of my fave companies to review for. And they sent me these items to review and to play with. And the first one that I was looking at was this little pack of ephemera. Now they send you 10 packs with 30 pieces in each. That's 300 pieces of ephemera. And they were $8.79. And let me tell you, these are selling out so quickly. So quickly. I hope they're restocked because these are very, very popular. And let me just show you the prints. Now you have your choice of different sets. And of course I went for the nature sort of botanical with little critters set. And I believe there's like 10 designs with 3 of each design. Lavender. Isn't that beautiful? They're just so vintage. And I love the way the little cards are laid out, the layout of the cards. Now you can just glue these down as they are, or make tags, or anything out of them, or do like a collage background and then cut it up into ATCs. Look at the little bird on there, a little postmark in the corner. Dragonflies, aren't they gorgeous? So 3 of those, and a bee, like a diagram of a bee. And here's another one. Oh, and it says Paris on there. I love it. I love it. I love it. Got a little frame around it. Another dragonfly. 3 of those. A whole bunch of bees with ferns. You know, I love my ferns. And look at this, Lepidoptera. So this is a butterfly, beautiful greens. And the last one is another butterfly, swallowtail looks like. So again, oh my gosh, you get, you can make all kinds of master boards with these. 10 packs, and in each pack there are 30 pieces, and $8.79. Going quickly. Let me tell you, going, gone. Now this pack of stamps. Now this reminded me of, each one of these was like almost an ATC by itself. Now I'm going to stamp these out. I'm going to play with the stencils. I might do a little mixed media today. And then I'll come back and do some more projects with these to show you. But I'm just so excited to play with these. And you're not going to believe how much this cost. For these 4 stamps, look at that. 99 cents. 99 cents for these silicone stamps. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. We're going to see how those are going to stamp out in just a second. And then this one is a border stamp. And this is from Global Land. But these are from the Craspire website. I've used Global Land products before. And there are 3 mushroom borders here. And what I like about these is that they're large enough that I could color these in. I could stamp these on a page and paint them, or use some magic markers and make some beautiful borders. Again, 99 cents for all three of these. I love them. And look, all different kinds of mushrooms, not just the same mushroom shape carried throughout. Let me show you this stationery set. Look at these envelopes. They come in white, black, and craft. And you get 48 of them. And these envelopes are almost 4.5 by a little bit more than 6. Perfect size. And you get the 3 kinds of paper. Just sort of like an off-white with very light lines. And you get 48 pieces of paper. I could probably use this in a journal for some journaling space. Oh, wait, look at this. Oh my gosh, they're different. Look at the one with the rabbit. Oh, I've got to get these out of here. All right, stand by. Here we go. Rabbit borders. Oh, these are going to be super fun on journal page. A little Cupid up there. Rose border. Even if you're just going to do like a little journaling and stick it in a pocket. That's what says miss you. Isn't that cute? Girl with a little bird cage there. So there's 2 of those. And then I love craft. I don't know why, but I love craft brown paper color. Let's see, are these the same, just in a different color? Yes, they are. Oh, I love that. Now you can send a letter off to your pen pals, or you can use these in your journaling as a journaling space. And even the black, I know they look solid black, but there is sort of like a craft color pattern on here. Let's get it to shine in the light. See that? Very subtle, but very gorgeous. Look at that. If you got a nice white gel pen, Posca marker, you can play on there. And it comes with 48 round seals. I guess you can, for the envelope. If you're going to put this in the mail, you can seal the envelope with it. It says, just baked fresh. Handmade, special selected, baking just now. All right. That's funny. So I just thought these would be really super fun journaling spaces. And also I can send out some happy mail or use the envelopes as pockets in a journal. Okay, now this 48 envelopes, 48 stickers, and 48 pieces of stationery paper comes in a set for $6.89. Vintage paper and envelope set. It's called Vintage Paper and Envelope Set. $6.89. And you get all of this. All right, now I know I'm making a mess here, but I'll try to stay neat. All right, let's look at these stickers. These stickers, you get 10 sheets of stickers for $5.59. 10 sheets, so that's like 56 cents a sheet. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 stickers on there. And let me just grab a piece of paper here so you can see them. What color do we want? How about this light color here? Here we go. Now these, I believe, are all the same, but you can get different sets. You can get different sets. You can get flowers, or different leaves, or like fall leaves, or different ferns, different green ones. You get a lot. You get 10. 10, 10, 10. That's a lot. A lot of stickers. Okay, so I love my ferns. I love my ferns. So that's that. And the very last thing are these stencils. So I believe these stencils right now might be out of stock, but I will link, you know, their general stencil page for you. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 stencils. And I was thinking about, you know, like doing mixed media, you want some things that just might be like a general pattern for the background, or sometimes you're actually looking for an image. And so there are 6 sheets with multiple images on each one. This is a basket with a honeycomb in the background, a general design. I love these daisies over here, and like a little music thing in the corner. And then I love this one. Look at this one coming up here. Plants in the garden. Isn't that pretty? And look, butterflies and flowers. And just like, you know, like mixed media, just like, you know, patterns for the background of a page. And you want to put like just lightly stencil this down, and then you could put something on top of it. And this one has gorgeous roses. And again, just patterns for the background of a page. Birds and music. Flowers. You can use these on your gel plate, of course. I love these. Looks like Lily of the Valleys there. Or Muguet du Bois. Some more music, birds, butterflies. So there's a lot of nature, garden, butterflies, flowers, and a little bit of music in here. Birds and butterflies and flowers. All right, so let's see. What can we do today? All right, I didn't realize I was getting a shadow. I moved my lamp over. Why don't I just start with this piece of paper that's right here and make a master board and cut it into some ATCs. So I'm going to start, I think, with some background stenciling. I kind of like that. I like all of them, but I don't even know which one to start with. I like this one because it's got some words on it. But they're all nice. All right, so let me start with this one. Or I could put 2. I think, you know, I like black and white on a craft paper. So I think I'm just going to start with black. That might be a mistake to start with black. Or you know what, I think I'll start with brown. I'll start with brown because I think things on top are going to be black. The last layer might be black. I'm looking for my sponges here. Do I have a black one? Yeah. That looks like it's black. So I'm just going to have a little play with these new items, and then I'll come back. Come back on another day and actually do a project. So this is just going to be a little bit of a master board, and then I'll cut it up in like ATC size or journaling card sizes. Okay, I'm not making it too dark, because this is just the beginning of the background. And it doesn't have to be perfect. That's what I like about doing stenciling in the background. You can lift. Looks pretty good. I'm going over it with stuff anyway, so. Very springy, very summer-like. I think there's all different sets, but this one might be out right now. And then down here, see, this all just adds like texture to the page. It's a great first layer for your mixed media. I'm going to throw that down on the floor right now and continue with a different one over here. So let me just pounce away and then I'll be right back. Well, there's my background. Just some miscellaneous stenciling on there. And I'm thinking about putting on a collage layer. With these, I don't want to put them down like this though. So what I like about these, this is just thin paper, excellent for collage. I don't want it to look like perfect little squares everywhere, so okay, I'm going to rip up a few of these and then I will be right back and show you what I've done. Okay, when I start a project and have absolutely no idea of where it's going to go, it tends to change in the middle. And I decided to change this up a little bit. Instead of making a huge master board, I cut the master board into ATC size, which is 2.5 by 3.5. ATC, Artist Trading Card, usually 2.5 by 3.5. And artists make these cards and trade them with each other. So they're like little mixed media canvases. Okay, I'm going to use my Elmer's Craft Bond here. And I am going to glue a piece of the black stationery with that little gold trim on it, and it's okay if they overlap a little bit. You can trim that later or just leave it like a little border. So I think the black side will be for writing, and I'll write with a white pen on there. I've got my 3 cards with the black on the back, the craft on the front. One layer is done. That is the stenciling. Let's put some of this on here. So you got one butterfly, one bird. Should we do one bee? So now I'm going to take a little bit matte medium, put it in a cup, and glue this down. Put a little underneath like this. This usually dries pretty quickly. And then a little over the top. Now there's no right or wrong to this. You can layer as many things as you would like in any order that you would like. And I am just going to give these a couple minutes to dry. And while they are drying, I will wash out my brush. Now this would probably be the perfect place to stop, but let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm going to put a little bit of white gesso to knock back these gorgeous pictures, because I'm just going to do more layers on top of them. You could just do layers and layers and layers. I don't want to cover them all up. I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. I want to see a little bit. of what's there. This gesso's doing too good of a job. So we'll just take some off. Like that. See, that one came out good. Okay, so we have 2 layers. We have the stencil and the collage pieces. So I'm going to dry the gesso. Well, I guess the gesso is the 3rd layer. Stencil, collage pieces, gesso. 3 layers. Next layer, let's try the brown ink. This is Vintage Photo Distress Oxide. Is it a little dry? Humidity has been so dry. It's just sucking the moisture out of everything. Which is not usually what happens this time of year, is it? No. All right, let's see. This is not a very dark color. Oh, I like it. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Do I want to use the same one? Should we try some different ones? Wipe that off a little bit. Stick it back here on the plastic. Mushroom, butterfly, cancellations, numbers, figures, and a pattern. Oh, all of them are really nice. I'll just grab one. I'm going to come back and do a project with these mushrooms. I cannot wait to stamp these and color them in, I'm telling you. Now, I could have done this whole project with just these products because I could have used the craft paper from the stationery set to be the base of the mixed media, but I changed ideas midstream, so maybe I will try that craft paper next time. Oh, that might be cool to put the mushrooms on. Yes, look at that. I'm loving these layers. You got the stencil, the collage papers, the gesso, and now a stamp. And we're not done yet. I think we'll do one more layer on there. I love that these stamps are just perfect for ATCs. Perfect size to get some texture on there, or you can just use the stamp and color that in as it is. All right. Put this back on here. It says Thursday, September 29th, June 29th, 1992. This one says receipt, 12th of April, 1930. Interesting. Okay, so we've got 3 ATCs with multiple layers on them. And what didn't we use? We used the stencils, we used the stamps, we used the paper, we used the collage pieces, the stickers. The stickers. Where's the stickers? Oh, this is the paper that those stencils came on. Now, wouldn't this be awesome to cut up and use in your journal? That's how us junk journals think, right? Everything can be used. Nothing has to be thrown away. All right, here's the stickers. So I was thinking about adding a fern to each page. And I love these stickers that have like the clear background. So when you put them on a project, you can see the layers underneath like that. Put another one. And number 3. I almost want to add a little one. Like that. I don't know why. Another little one. Okay, I'm going to sign the back of them. Usually on the back of an ATC, you put your name, the date, the title of the series. I'm calling this Crafty with a K, like craft paper, and nature, because all the images are nature images. And then you have 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3, and 3 out of 3. I know people, they do a series, they make like 12 of them or something. I'm not that good at production, let me tell you. All right, there was one more thing that I wanted to do, and I have this shimmery metallic green iridescent Dr. Martin's ink. I'm wondering if I could just put a little shimmer on these. Over the stickers, try and marry those stickers to the page a little bit. You know, when I was heating this up to dry it, I forgot about these stickers on this side. Probably wasn't a good thing to get those hot. I have to remember that. Okay, sometimes the shimmer gets all down on one side and you've got to shake it up really, really good. Let's see, how am I going to do this? I have no idea. I got to wash those brushes out. Okay, I'm going to put a little drop in there. And see if I could splatter this. I think this will work. Yes, look at that. Well, that might be hard to see on the camera, but I will show you close up. Just a little bit on there. Maybe I should put a little more. Careful what you're doing, Possum Batty. Careful what you do. I almost want to put a little white on that too. This is a little white gesso. Oops. Move your supplies away when you start doing this. Well, I went to wash out the brushes and I came back and I picked up the cards and I was going to say bye-bye. And then I decided to add some more. Why? I don't know. I just feel like it needs a little more. So now I am collaging again because I feel like everything went to the background and I wanted something else in the foreground. So I am just collaging on pieces. Oh, I got white all over the back on all of them. That's okay. Looks fine to me. How did I sprinkle white on the front and get it on the back? I have no idea. So I added number 34 and some words down there and a little bird right there. And I added 2 bees on this one, a little bee and a big bee. And you could see the bee underneath. And I added 1 bee up there in the corner. You could still see the butterfly and the ferns. So now what do I think? I think I gotta move this, distracting me. Am I happy now? I don't know. I don't know if I'm happy. I could put Lepidoptera on here. Lepidoptera. That's a butterfly. That might be cool. That might be cool. Of course, now I need my paper back. Lepidoptera. You could put as many layers as you want to. Now I feel like I need something up there. I got more bees. Let me redo that one and put something larger. I thought I was all done. I was cleaning up. I was done. Kitty's saying, come out in the kitchen and give me some treats. Let's see, how about a, oh, this one already has a number. Oh, how about Paris? Let's put Paris on there. This is going to be Dragonfly. I'm not using matte medium. I'm just going to stick them down with some glue so they don't get lost in the background. Okay, now what do I think? Okay, now I'm happy. Sometimes something is just not finished. Wait, okay. Because I felt like I could still see this butterfly and the ferns and the leaves and some of the stamp. But on this one I kind of lost what was in the middle. And this one I can still see the bee. Okay, I think that's going to be it now, at least for now. So I will show you a photo close up so you can see each card and the messy back on there. Kind of cool with that white splatter on there, isn't it? And maybe I should put some green splatter on the back and see how that shows up. But I'm going to finish this for now, and I want to thank you for coming along, and I will put all the information on these products below, and visit Craspire, create and inspire. Thanks for coming along today. Bye-bye.